Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how easily you can download movies on your Netflix. Okay, so to do this you have to download on your PC the Netflix application. If you don't know how you can do this, you can simply watch our second tutorial. You can find it on our channel. The title is How to Download Netflix on your Windows PC. Next, when you have this application, all you have to do is simply select something that you want to download. In my case it will be, for example, The Office. So click on the information icon, and right now when you start scrolling you can pick each season. So for example, I'm gonna start with the season 1, and if I want to download the episode 1, the pilot, just click on this icon right here, and as you can see at the bottom we can find this blue line with the downloading. When you click on it once, you will be moved to your downloads, and simply you can manage them also by tapping on the right upper corner. So you can, for example, delete this one. Let me show you. Click delete, select, and then you can tap click delete. If you want to stop and cancel this download, it's very simple. You just have to, let me just go back. We have to find the episode that we tap. It was the season 1, I guess, the pilot. So click right here and tap pause, download, or cancel. So that's how we can do this. As you can see, that's very simple, and this function you can find almost on every movie that you have on your Netflix application. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.